Hey! Woo! Hey everyone, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Now today's video is going to be the much anticipated, awaited review of the brand new Bad Girl Bang Mascara by Benefit, which if you've not yet seen the launch and everything that Benefit have kind of done, then you must be underneath a rock because they went all out, guys. This was such an amazing, huge launch, and I went to the London one and it was full on. There was a spaceship which came down like full of smoke and like it was all happening. It was amazing. So I managed to get my hands on one at the event and it's still in the box. I have not used it yet because I wanted to do a first impressions YouTube video. Funnily enough, yesterday night, I know Jeffree Star posted a video comparing the brand new mascara with Roller Lash. How funny. So I have not seen his video yet, but I think I'm gonna do the same. That's right, guys, I'm gonna do the same because this is currently my go-to mascara. I absolutely love the fact that the bristles are very small. It's more of a plastic wand, and the formulation and just the way it kind of works just works for me. I've got naturally very straight short lashes, so this works. I know a lot of people hype up their Real, which is more of a fiber-based mascara, but for me personally, I prefer this one. I just do, okay? I just prefer this one. So I am blown out of the water to see how this is going to be transforming my lashes. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use one mascara on each eye so that you can see and you can basically judge for yourselves. Just to start off, I'm going to start off by reading some of the claims of this mascara. I'm very excited. I'm like already like opening the box. This claims to be a 36-hour full blast volume mascara. 90% of people saw dramatic volume. 94% said it instantly lifted their lashes, and 92% said it lengthened their lashes. So these are very big claims, and we've got all percentages way up in the 90s and above. It is a black mascara, it says here. It has pro vitamin B5, known to fuel thickness and strength. It is smudge proof and flake free because I hate it when the mascara flakes and then you've got that speckle, and then when you go to wipe it, it like leaves a black mark on your face. No. And it's also water resistant. Now I was a little bit blown away when this got launched because no one actually knew what Benefit were launching, and I had no idea, guys. All we knew was that it was out of this world. It kind of had this like futuristic space element, so I was thinking it might be a highlighter, or I was thinking it might be a new bronzer with like a shimmer on it or something like that. I'm not sure. I had no idea, but I was so excited. But when I found out it was a mascara, I was like, oh, okay. I thought it was going to be a brand new franchise to the brand, but I know that if Benefit brings something out, then it's going to be good. So I'm very excited to try this out. Oh my god, I'm nervous at the same time. So the actual mascara looks like this. It is all black matte and has this kind of like cool little almost crown-like component over the top. Yes, let's have a look at the wand. Okay, I love that sound of a brand new mascara. It's like full. Alright guys, so this is the wand. So it is a plastic wand. It has loads of teeth on it. It kind of starts a little bit wider and goes in smaller. And I would say it's picked up a medium-sized amount of product. This is definitely the type of wand that I like. Personally, I don't like it when the wand's too big because then I feel like I don't have a lot of control, and I feel like then I just make a mess because I've got such small eyes and such short lashes that just doesn't work for me. This is the Roller Lash mascara. I would say it's very similar. The only difference is, can you see that curve? So here we've got the kind of curve for the inside, slightly larger here, and then on the outside if you wanted to kind of get in there. So I really like this curve. I feel like it cups the lids and really gets in there. Let's get right into it, guys. I wonder what Jeffree thought of this. Is it Jeffree Star approved? I don't know, but I think after I film this, I'm gonna edit and have my video completely finished, and then I'm gonna watch his. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and use Roller Lash on this side, and then we're gonna use a Bad Girl Bang on that side. So let's go for it. Okay, so we are back. This is kind of how I personally like my lashes. I don't want to go too crazy in there. And just to let you know, guys, you can obviously curl your lashes beforehand, but I've chosen not to curl them today because I just want to see what the mascara does, okay? So I think it will be unfair to kind of use anything. I just want to use the product by itself. Also, another little disclaimer is, firstly, this is not a sponsored video. And secondly, this mascara is not brand new. I have had this for quite some time, and I know that sometimes with mascaras, when the formulation starts to dry out a little bit, it might not be as creamy or as effective or transfer as much product. So this is a very lash-like that I'm used to. So yeah, this is kind of like, for me, a nice mascara look. I don't want it to be too overbearing, but we can see the before and after going on here. Oh, close up. And now we are gonna go in with BADGAL BANG. I find it quite a strange name, if I'm honest, guys. I thought it would be called something different, but it is what it is. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna do exactly the same on the other eye. Wow. Okay. Okay. Pretty impressed, I'm not gonna lie. Okay, so there we go. Alright guys, so we have both mascaras on the eyes. We have Roller Lash on this side and BADGAL BANG on this side. And basically, I actually really like it. What do you guys think? Let's do a zoom up close. Let's also have a close up of the two different lashes. Personally, I feel like this one was very creamy in consistency. I definitely feel like it is longer. It was a lot easier to achieve, if I'm honest with you. They both give a very similar kind of finish, which is a finish that I personally like. Now, I do feel like with this side, I could probably go on more and put more on and even build it up to be more of a dramatic lash, but I was like 2 sweeps and I was like, woo, like that is intense. Like I can definitely see it's very black. Main differences is I feel like these are definitely longer. It's a very lengthening mascara. They look a lot more nourished, like definitely a lot more smooth and nourished. Wow. It's a really good mascara, guys. I'm actually really impressed. Mascara is probably not my thing so much. I would probably use a tiny bit on a day-to-day, but I'm not someone who wears like tons of mascara. But I know for a fact that most people, if they're gonna leave the house, they're most likely gonna put concealer, mascara, and a lip balm or lipstick or something like that. So mascara is definitely it's definitely people's handbag go-to products. So would I recommend this mascara? Yes, absolutely. Yeah, I would. I think it's really nice. Is it something that's revolutionary and completely amazing and different? No, I don't think so. The difference between these two I think is quite small, but I'm excited, and if I was going to go to the shop and get either one of these, I'd probably go for that one because I just felt like it was easier to apply, more lengthening if you want that. And yeah, that ticks the box. The only people I would probably say this might not work so well on are those people who've got beautifully natural long lashes. They may not want the lengthening. So if that's the case, you might want to go for like more of a volumizing or thickening like they're real, or even something like this, which is just going to give you definition but not go over the top. But definitely if you have crappy lashes like mine, then this is a good mascara for you. Guys, I'd also love to hear your thoughts. Which one do you prefer? Roller Lash or BADGAL BANG? Which one do you like more? Please let me know in the comments below. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe. Always show the love and support to those that you love watching. So please press the subscribe button and also give it a thumbs up. And if you're in the mood, then please press that little bell sign because that will mean post notifications are turned on. So I hope you've enjoyed this video, and yeah, until next time, I will see you guys soon. Bye bye.